is what a lot of beginners make the mistake of. They set it down to the tip, and then what they do is they walk it to the side and then they slide it. Walk it to the side and then slide it. Once they try to get it straight, you notice that I have these really big bulging sides and it's super thin in the middle, right? So even if you're able to get it straight, the problem is I have way too much product on this side and this side. That's not what we want to do. When I set this to the front of the form, watch this. I'm gonna start from the center. I'm gonna walk it down the side. I'm gonna get it even with the growth channel. And then from the top of the bead, I'm gonna start walking it to the corner. Once I get it tucked to the corner, I have to make sure, right, that I walk back over the top. I'm gonna get it even with the growth channel. From the top of the bead, I'm walking it to the corner. Once I get it tucked into the corner, I need to go back over the top to redistribute the thickness, right? And then as you can see, I'm starting to build a very, evenly shaped tip that is not going to be too bulky right here on the sides.